So we finally come to the final step in our journey of installing a Larson Platinum storm door. We've got the door installed, we've got the threshold extension piece installed. Now we're going to do the final step, which is adjusting the hidden door closer. So you come up to the top here, and in the box that the original install kit came with, there's a fat Allen key here. If you want to adjust where your door opens or how far it opens, you just take this key and stick it in this hole here. If you loosen that anchor point, you can slide this whole mechanism towards the hinge or towards the latch side if you want the door to open or close more or less. You know, if you don't want it to hit a wall or something like that, this is what you adjust in order to move that whole piece back and forth. And then you can change how fast or slow the door closes right here. That brass screw, if you tighten that down, the door will slow down. If you loosen it, the door will speed up. So it's the brass screw right there. It's a flat-headed screw. So we've got this door exactly where we want it. The door is installed, so we're going to test for operation. Pull on the handle. That door closes nice, slowly, smoothly, steadily, and very, very quietly. That's a perfect install. Hey, congratulations. You did it all on your own. I'm so proud of you. Kick back, enjoy your favorite adult beverage, and enjoy your new Larson Platinum Storm Door.